Welcome back to my channel. Today we are asked to show that the square root of 3 raised to the power 9 divided by 16 is equal to 243 divided by 4 root 3. We are asked to show that. So whenever a question is asked that you are asked to show that, it means that you have to prove or you have to show that the right hand side is the same thing as the left hand side. That means you have to work them separately. Not that you want to cross multiply or say this is equal to this, but what they're asking you is for you to ensure that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. That is what we are going to do today. So in dealing with this question, mere looking at it, what I want to do real quick is to look at how many 3 do we have in 3 raised to the power 9. We have 3 in 9 places, and the square root is telling you that something must be able to be squared off. Like we can see in 16, we definitely know that that is going to be the 4 raised to the power 2, which we can easily take the square off from that. So if we look at this one also, 3 raised to the power 9 is the same thing by saying, you can go in different ways, by saying 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I take this together, I'll be able to generate a square. That means if I'm going with 9 times 9 times 9 times 9, I should be able to generate a square. The same thing, if I take all these together and take all this together, I will arrive at 81, and this is going to give me 81. That means I can have 81 squared times 3. So if I put that into that square root, I'll be having something like 81 times 81 times 3 divided by 4 times 4. That will give me the square of that, which will equal to 243 divided by 4 root 3. I'm pretty sure we're getting along. So 81 times 81 we give the square of 81. Square of 81 times 3 divided by 4 squared. We give 243 divided by 4 root 3. And we can easily find the square root of 81 squared, which will give us 81. So I'm taking that out, or I can easily say square root of 81 squared times square root of 3 divided by the square root of 4 squared. This is also acceptable. This is acceptable. So it's equal to 243 divided by 4 root 3. So we can find the square root cancels out this square. We can have this one as 81 root 3. 81 root 3 divided by 4 will equal to 243 divided by 4 root 3. In that way, we can go in. I've tried to bring down these. So the next thing is to look at how would I be able to show that this is equal to this. So you can go in this way. You can also go in this way. If you go by the left hand side, if you say, oh, I don't want my denominator to have the square root. Okay, I want to rationalize it or multiply both sides, the numerator and the denominator, multiply them by root 3. I'm pretty sure you're going to arrive into 81 root 3 over 4. Or if you look at it that, okay, let me still do the same with here, multiply the top and the bottom of the left hand side by root 3, you're going to arrive here. If we want to try that, we can try that and see what that will give us. If we say 81 root 3 divided by 4. If I multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 3, and this is showing that I haven't done anything, it's just that I'm multiplying it by 1, and any number you multiply by 1 is still going to give you the same thing. So if I say root 3 divided by root 3, it's just like I'm dividing or multiplying it by 1. So if I do this, this will give 81 times root 3 times root 3 will give 3, divided by 4 root 3. And if we continue doing that, we're going to end up into 243 divided by, so this one is going to give 243 divided by 4 root 3. That means that the right hand side is equal to left hand side. That means that the left hand side is proven to be equal to the right hand side. Also, we can go by proving on the right hand side to be equal to the left hand side. So that is just it. That is how it is being proven. Thank you very much for listening to this video. I'll see you in the next one.